In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a file removed by Norton Antivirus, or how to recover Norton deleted files. We've all been there at some point. You're working on your computer, and suddenly you realize a file you need has been removed by Norton Antivirus. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's walk through the steps to recover that file and get back on track. First things first, you'll want to open up your Norton app. This might be on your desktop, or perhaps you'll find it in your program list or system tray. Opening the Norton app is your gateway to recovering the files you need. So make sure it's up and running before you proceed. Once you've got the app open, you're going to look for the security section on the interface. It's usually displayed prominently because, after all, the main purpose of Norton is to keep your computer secure. By clicking on Security, you'll access a range of tools and options designed to ensure your device stays safe from any malicious activities. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Quarantine area. Quarantine is like your antivirus's holding pen, a secure location where suspicious files are kept. It's Norton's way of isolating potential threats from the rest of your system. This is the crucial step to finding your misplaced or removed file. A little tip here. If you're unsure where Quarantine is, look for an icon or a link in the security section of the app. Now that you're inside the Quarantine section, you should see a list of all files that Norton has detected and removed. This is where your files are temporarily stored. To recover the file you're looking for, go to the Files section within Quarantine. This will list out all the files Norton has, in essence, quarantined for safety reasons. Here's the fun part. Browse through the list to find the specific file you're trying to restore. Once you locate it, select the file. There usually is an option to restore or recover it at this point. Click on that, and Norton should guide you through a simple process of returning your file to its original location on your computer. It's really that simple. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to retrieve any file that mistakenly got removed by Norton Antivirus in no time. It's always a good idea to periodically check what's in Quarantine just to stay on top of what Norton is picking up. Being proactive with this not only helps keep your files safe, but also keeps your system running smoothly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips and how-tos.